how to use the N5 POS device. Sale process. Enter the amount to be paid using the keypad. Press Enter key to continue. Hand device to customer. Show them where they either insert or tap card to process transaction. Customer must enter PIN if prompted to. Press green Enter key to proceed. Select transactions on the next menu. All transactions processed will then be displayed. To view and print the transaction summary for the day, click on the View Transactions Total in the top right of the screen. The transaction summary report will open. Click on Print to print the summary report. Print transactions list to print the transaction list for the selected date. Reversal processed. Click on More option. Click on Reversal option. Supervisor password needs to be entered. Swipe or insert the same card that the sale was processed on. Device will automatically identify transaction to be reversed if only one transaction. If more than one transaction, it will list them. Contact Paypoint Technologies today for more financial technology solutions.